guys, it's me, Ari Rubin, and today I'm going to show you how to turn yourself into an elf. So let's get started. It's actually going to be a pretty simple tutorial. It'll take about a good 10 to 15 minutes depending on the materials you have at hand. I generally don't use crazy expensive makeup. It's generally drugstore stuff or cheaper stuff that I got off the internet. I'll be posting all the stuff I've used in the description, so don't forget to check that out, including the contact lenses, where I got the wig from. Note that in this tutorial I will not put on the ears. I will not, because why? They're somewhere in my garage and I have to find them. But everything else will be done, and I hope you enjoy it, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, or generally, on YouTube, because, well, it'd be great and I'd be super happy about it. So yeah, so enjoy the tutorial, and yeah, next time I'll show you how to make an elf crown. Check it out. Bye! Because elves have immaculate skin, we first need to remove all the gunk on our face using, well, you guessed it, coconut oil. It's the best thing you can use, and it's healthy and very cheap. So just use cold pressed coconut oil to remove your eye makeup. Next thing you want to do is put in your contacts. Please check the link in the description to find out which contacts I used. Next thing, you want to prime your face using some aloe vera gel. You can get this gel in supermarkets that have an organic section, or online, or health food stores. Next, you want to put on some Dermacol foundation. It's the highest covering foundation I found to date, and it's just perfect to give you that perfect elven skin. It will cover all your blemishes. It is absolutely excellent in wear and tear. I've worn it in LARP battles and it lasts all day. It's actually almost like wearing a mask, but it doesn't feel that thick. The nice thing about it is it does really cover every single problem you have on your face. One thing that I unfortunately have to disclose in this video is that I have had really dry skin. So please don't pay attention to the fact that there are flakes on my face. That's just because I had really poor skincare, which is taken care of at this point. So, that's why there's all that flakiness. On a normal person with normal skin, it wouldn't show up. Next thing you want to do is take the lightest, brightest eyeshadow you have and just put that on the inside of your eyes to brighten up your eye, in that little corner of your eye. In my case, it makes my eyes look a bit larger and further apart. You also want to dab it on your brow line so that it nicely lightens up the area underneath your brow, making that area look larger and making your eyebrows not look quite as thin. So it really brightens up your entire eye. Next thing, you want to go for a medium blush/brown tone and cover the inner crease of your eye, the whole entire crease, just to add a little bit of depth to your eye, because you don't want to look like a ghost. Then we want to just take some brown eyeshadow and go into the crease of our eye to add even more depth. Right now I do realize I look like a vampire, but don't mind that, it'll look better soon. So just get in there with that medium brown tone. I'm using a MAC palette. It's the only expensive makeup thing I have from Maleficent. Next, you want to line your eyes. Now this is a super important step in order for you to look like an elf. You need to get those almond eyes. I already have almond eyes, but I like to elongate my eyes even more and draw a really nice fine cat line out of the corner of my eye. So that's what you want to do to get that perfect elven look. I apologize, by the way, if me doing the makeup is not so neat, but I was in a rush to show you how fast one can actually do this if one is LARPing or outside in battle at cosplay conventions. You can accentuate your eye by also using some Kohl Kaya liner. It'll just make it a bit more smudgy, so you can even out the uneven parts that you failed at with the liner. So next thing you want to do is take some highlighter and put that at the very top of your cheek, slightly higher than your normal cheek would be. just to highlight your cheekbones a bit, and you can just use any highlighter. I like to use the shimmery one because it's more ethereal. Then you want to take that same contouring palette, just get any contouring palette, take a medium brown tone and just contour your cheeks, your face, and your sides. Now remember that elves have generally very fine and narrow faces, so as I have kind of a rectangular face, it wasn't too hard to make this happen. But even I had to contour a little bit to make my face a bit sharper. Next, you of course just apply some mascara to open up the eyes some more. It can be any mascara you want. I'm actually using a really cheap kind here. And then you want to go into your brow area again and brighten that with a shimmery kind of white highlighter, which can also be used for the cheeks. I love those 2-in-1 makeup combos because they're cheap. Then you want to go on with a taupe shade or a grayish shade for your eyebrows if you're dark haired. And well, if you're blonde, I unfortunately can't help you because I only have dark hair. But yeah, you could, I guess, go for a light taupe. That would work for blonde as well. Then you want to get some concealer for under your eyes. I like to do this step last because then I can remove any unevenness or anything that has fallen off from the eyeshadow. So just get that in there. And now I want to just contour the bridge of my nose slightly. I already have a very thin nose. I'm actually making it a bit broader at the top and just contouring it to make it look nicer in picture and give it some definitions. Then we want to get some nude lipstick, apply that, and well, next step is don't forget your lip balm. I like to use an organic lip balm with no animal testing, which is healthy for you. Oops, there's a fly. Ah, so annoying. Then you want to move on to putting on your wig. My wig is totally ruined with the lard battles. Here's me trying to fix what's broken. Remember, I forgot my elf ears in the garage, so there are no elf ears in the video, but just do a little bit of an elvish style with putting your hair behind your ears. That's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed my makeup look, and once again, this is a quick and dirty elvish makeup look that anyone can do very fast, anywhere, anytime. And you can exclude some steps if you feel more comfortable. So I hope that you've enjoyed my video, and I sincerely hope that you subscribe to my channel, or, you know, if you want, you can also support me on Ko-fi and help me create more great videos like this. The next great video I'm creating is one on how to make your own elvish crown. And at some point I will make a more extended elvish makeup video to show you how to do the makeup in a neat way. But as I said, this was a quick and dirty makeup tutorial. So have a beautiful day, and thank you for joining me at today's tutorial. Bye!